There are no features that YouTube put on YouTube that are not important, right? And the most important thing here on YouTube is to drop videos, upload videos, whether long form or short form, most importantly, long forms. And these videos start getting views. These videos start getting pushed out by their algorithm. That is the most important thing here on YouTube. So the question is, how do I get YouTube to start recommending my videos? How do I get YouTube? How do I get the algorithm to start being favorable to my content and pushing them out to the audience? And here are the things that I'll be discussing with you in this particular video. And there are steps to achieving this. It is not done by magic. You also have some things to do while you are uploading those contents, or immediately after uploading those contents, or before you even upload those contents. You also have some things to do before those videos will start going viral. In this video, I'll be giving you a list of 5 features that YouTube has made readily available for you to make advantage of, for you to use so that your videos can start getting viral. Hi, my name is Oluwatosin. In case you're new here, and you're welcome. To all my returning subscribers, you're also welcome. If this is the first time you are seeing my channel, please do well to subscribe, and do not just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload a new video on this channel. Without further ado, let's dive right into these 5 useful points and features that YouTube has made readily available for us for our videos to start getting viral, to start getting a lot of views. The first and most important thing you need to do while you are uploading your videos, for those videos to start getting the views that you desire, for those videos to start getting more attention by your audience, is to make use of your end screen. Somebody might be wondering that what is end screen? End screen is something like this. Have you been watching people's video, and towards the end of the videos you see something like this in boxes like this? These are end screens, and they are very, very important. Once you click on any of these end screens, it takes you directly and automatically to another of that person's content. So when you are uploading your video and you use end screen, you make use of your end screen in your videos, it automatically takes your viewers that have just finished watching your current content to another of your content, hereby promoting your views on each of those content. So I would always advise, it is always advisable that you should always make use of your end screens. If you don't know how to use or to create end screens, if you have problems creating end screens, let me know in the comment section. I'll be teaching you step by step on how you can create end screens. And this takes me to the second point, which is to make use of your cards. Have you been watching somebody's long form content and links like this or links like this pops up in those contents? Those links are called cards. Have you ever wondered what they are used for? Or you are a creator here on YouTube and you don't even know that these cards are very, very important to you, and they are not particular to some sets of creators. Anybody can use cards, as long as it is not your first video on your channel. As long as you have more than one video on your channel, you can make use of your cards, because these cards, they are links to the previous videos that you have on your channel. So once somebody clicks on the cards, whether by mistake or intentionally, it takes them directly to that video. So cards are always important, and YouTube gave us the liberty of putting as much as 5 cards in one long form content. So you can use this link 5 times in one form content for different 5 videos. It has to be different 5 videos, but you can use 5 cards in each of your content. Isn't that sweet and wonderful? The algorithm wants us to push our videos out more. The algorithm wants to help us push our videos out more. When I say algorithm, hope everybody knows that I'm referring to YouTube algorithm. So YouTube algorithm wants to push out our content more. So it's always advisable that you always make use of your cards. It's not only when you are monetized, and cards are not particular to a different kinds of content creators on YouTube. Any YouTuber can use cards. Just go to your YouTube studio. You will see cards there. Make sure you are always making use of your cards when you are uploading your long form content. And if you don't know how to create cards or how to use cards, let me know as well in the comment section. I'll be teaching you step by step on how to add cards to your videos. It is quite a simple process. If you want me to teach you on how to go about that, just drop it in the comment section. I will. And this takes me to the third point, which is creating playlists and making use of your playlist. In fact, if you go to your YouTube, you will see a whole section dedicated to playlist. You will see videos, shorts, live, playlist, community posts, and all of that. There is a whole section dedicated to playlists. This section is not just there for decoration. Please, as a creator that wants to go viral, on this YouTube, always make sure you are using your playlist. Playlist is very, very important. And what is playlist? In one playlist, you can put as much as 10 videos. You can even put 10 videos. So once somebody clicks on one playlist, they see drop down of 10 videos from you. And the good thing is you can even introduce another person's content. If you have somebody's content that you want to put under your playlist, you can as well. So once they click on that playlist and the drop down of those videos come down, they will see whatever video that they want to click on. So playlist is very, very important. To tell you how useful and important playlist is, you see that card that I spoke about earlier, you can even use playlist as your card as one of your cards in your long form content. Imagine using playlist as card. You can imagine that means once somebody clicks on that one link that pops up in between your video, they see drop down of plenty videos from you. So they have the liberty to choose whichever one they want to watch. And even if they want to watch the 10 of them, fine, they can just sit down and be watching. The next one will just be coming up as they just sit to watch. Isn't this beautiful? This is a beautiful way to make your videos get viral. This is a beautiful way to make your videos start getting views. So please always make sure that you create playlists and you use the most of this playlist. When you are to put cards in your videos, make sure that one or two link to your playlist is in these cards. It is very, very important. The fourth thing you need to do for YouTube to start suggesting your videos to the right audience that will sit down and watch your videos and not just click in and click out of your video, because clicking in and clicking out is not good for your channel. Is killing your channel. So the fourth thing you need to do consciously for YouTube to start recommending your videos, hereby making you get more views that you desire on YouTube, is to start making use of your descriptions. Put your video links in your description box. Make sure that after you've described your content, whatever your content entails, after you've told your audience about it in your description box, and then you've used one or two hashtags in your description box, make sure that you as well put links to 2 or 3 videos in your description box. 2 or 3 of your content, put links to them in your description box. And the good thing about this description thing is you can even put a link to your playlist in your description box. So you see how important playlist is. It's not even negotiable. If you want to start getting views on this YouTube, you have to be making use of playlist. In fact, it's like the most, apart from the fifth point that I'll be mentioning, playlist is like the next one that is very, very important and non-negotiable, because links to playlists, you can use them in several places for you to get views. So you can copy links to your playlist and put in your description. Once they click on just that single link, they will see drop down of all the videos that you've put in the playlist, and these videos can be as much as 10. So if you're not interested in the number one video, they might be interested in the number two. If not number two, they might be interested in number seven. If not number seven, they might be interested in number 10. You get my point? So they have options to pick from whatever of your content that they want to watch, unlike just dropping a single link to just a single video of yours. It's better to drop link to the playlist, so that they have varieties of videos to choose from, and you might even be lucky, somebody might be ready to sit down and watch all the content in one playlist, regardless of how much they are, as long as they are valuable content. Even this playlist of a thing that I'm talking about, is always advisable that if you are to share your link with somebody, or if you are to put your link on WhatsApp status, it is always good to put links to playlists, not links to single videos. So if you want to share your link to somebody, maybe on WhatsApp or any other platform, copy the link to your playlist, not link to a single video. If you copy links to a single video, you don't give them options. What if they are not interested in the video? They might just click in and click out. But if you give them link to your playlist, they see drop down. Once they click on that link and it brings them to YouTube, they will see drop down of different videos that you've made. They might be interested. There's no how they will not be interested in any of those videos. So playlist is very, very important, and making use of your description box is very, very important as well. And the thing is, these things I've mentioned from number one to number four, which are your end screen, your cards, your playlist, and your description, you get to do them properly in your YouTube studio. That's why it's always advisable to always go to your YouTube studio while you are uploading. While you're uploading, make sure that you visit your YouTube studio before you make that video public. You have to upload your videos on private. That's the best, so that you can impute all these things before you now make your videos public. And this takes me to the fifth and last point for now, which is making use of your shorts. It's no longer news, even if you don't know the first four that I've mentioned. It's no longer news that shorts are now making people to get views. Aside that shorts makes you to get subscribers, shorts now make you to get views as well, because you can now link your long form content to your short form content. There's a space where you do that. You just copy that, like you pick your long form content to be under your short, so that I know short goes viral very, very well. There's every tendency for shorts to always move further than long form content. In most cases, there's every tendency for short to get more views than long form content in most cases. So while you are at it, while you are using that your shorts, while you are uploading your shorts, always link it to your long form content, so that somebody just clicks on that short and then it takes them directly to your long form content. Please, these things are non-negotiable, and they are the best for your content. If you want to be going viral on this YouTube, you have to be doing these five things. And if you want your videos to be going viral, hereby earning you watch hours, let's say you are not monetized, or earning you revenue, let's say you are monetized, or your own concern is how to get subscribers, earning you subscribers, these five things are very, very useful. And this brings me to the end of this video. I hope this video has been helpful or interesting to you. If it has been helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, so that YouTube can also help me to push my videos out to the algorithm, push it out to more audience. And if you have any question, let me know down in the comment section. If you want me to teach you how to create end screens, how to do all these things I spoke about, Just let me know down in the comment section. I'll make detailed videos on how to do them. They are quite easy things to do, but I'll be making detailed videos on how to do them. And as much as possible, you can also help me share my video amidst your friends and loved ones. Then thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.